Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a group chat in the Line app. Just open the app, click on the Friends button next to the settings and then tap on Create a Group. Here you can add friends by name, but you can do it later as well. Click on Next in the top right corner and then add the name of the group. Also you can upload an image and you can enable or disable this button here. You can add members at this stage as well and tap on create in the top right corner. That's basically it. I hope it helps.